how is this angle? I don't even know, like, should I move it, like, should I change it like this, the level, the eye level, or, yeah, you know what I'm saying, like, but I have the mic on right now, so I don't know if it has any sound or not, if it has any sound or not. So I'm gonna check to see. So I'm testing out the mic right now. You can't see it, can you? Oh, where's it at? I don't know. Can you hear me? I don't know. Or can I hear me? I'm assuming the mic is recording. I'm hoping it is. I tried. I went. Right. If it's not recording, then that would suck really bad. I might check in between, maybe, because I'm not trying to check again. But so welcome. So I don't mean this nature. So from the last clip, it's probably been like 5 days, you know. Yeah, so where did we leave off? Where did we leave off? Where did I leave off? So I guess the intro, you know, or the beginning part. So I don't mean nature, I mean human nature. So what is that, right? I say in my own words, human nature is like, let's see, like, imagine someone who hasn't been influenced by the outside world, right? Imagine someone, you know, that was just born and just, let's say, like, yeah, not influenced by anything, like, from the media or whatever. And they had all the choices they made, all the decisions came from them, you know. So, like, I say, like, that's would be like the definition of human nature. You know what I'm saying? From, like, my definition, it's like a raw form. It's like a baby. It's like a blank slate. You know what I'm saying? That's how I kind of view it. I don't know if that makes sense to you, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? But I assume like the real definition is like a way like humans operate in the real world or something. Right? So I'm gonna see when I put it up, you know what I'm saying? Or when it appears on the screen, I mean. Yeah, I know some of you probably thinking like, well, can't it be defined as different type of nature? Or like, can human nature be defined as different types of nature? Like humans can have animalistic nature, optimistic, envious, trusting, etc. But that's my point. Those are consumed by us as we get older and experience life. I'm trying to say like the core of human nature to me is nothing. That sounds kind of, it's not as morbid as it sounds, you know what I'm saying? Nothing isn't like It's not a bad thing. You know what I'm saying? I guess I can't talk about human nature if I were to talk about genetics, you know, because they kind of go hand in hand, you know what I'm saying? Because genetics play a part in molding human nature in a way. How? I'm glad you asked. There are traits that we get from genetics like intelligence, aggression, and risk-taking behaviors. Hold that thought.
Well, let's see if there's a sound difference. I forgot the mic once again. I was holding it in my hand the whole time. It's crazy. The plug thing. Yeah. Where were we? Where was I? So do you ever be talking to somebody and it feels like you're in a show or a movie, like you're talking to this guy?
That's alright. Shit, I don't fuck. I'm winning anyway. I'm winning any motherfucking way. I can't lose. Shit, you can shoot me, but you can't kill me.
Delusional, yes, I know. If you watch the movie, you know what I mean. But I think I know why that is. As humans, we're meant to absorb information as time goes on. So in a time where television became a thing, we watch TV. We watch TV shows, movies, etc. all the time, and we start to act like them, and we start to play a character. You with me? This might be too deep for some people. Like I was saying, like, you don't stop and think in a situation like, would this be something I would do, or would this be something?
Told me to suck your dick, bitch. Isn't that what you said to me? Look at me. You wanted me to suck your dick. That's what you said, right? That what you said? Didn't you say suck my dick, bitch? Don't lie to me. That's what you said. You telling me I'm a liar? You didn't say suck my dick, bitch. That's not what you said to me. So I'm lying. Am I lying? No. Huh?
Alonzo Harris would do. This shit bumping. I can't even hear it right now. I know it's bumping. What even is that? Is that violin? I don't know. They got cellos. I don't know if it's not violin. I don't know what it is. Do you know? Okay, let's not get off track though. Focus on what I'm saying. Basically, what I'm saying is that human nature should be this state of awareness where we observe things in the world but not identify with them or as them and become them. Each of us would be very different if we knew how to do that. Luckily, there is a way. And hopefully with these videos, you can get an idea of how to do that. Now, the way I'm talking about is called mindfulness. Basically, I guess, you might have heard of it, you might not have, but try to look into it. It might change your life. It might change your life. Okay, repeat the fit. What's gonna happen? I'm not gonna try and button this out of the way. I said I'm gonna try and button this up. Something like that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now button 1. You understand? Okay. Not bad.